It starts off on an ocean slice, where a young lady is using her island laptop on the beach. Each key is a different music genre. My favorite is the lo-fi island, where you drink winter-themed hot chocolate. In one cup, a woman sits with her morning coffee. On her phone is a nice view from space. It takes a minute, but if you zoom far enough, you'll find a dorm room. In that room, you'll find the setting for one of my webcomics, about a smartphone that came to life and trapped 4 heroes. You can see them hanging out on one of the app islands, looking up at the moon in the distance, where another story is unfolding, this time set on a train where each car is a different biome. My favorite is the Autumn Cafe car. It has pretty good Wi-Fi, so you can make calls or watch videos on your phone. Like this one about a Minecraft server centered around a holy Rubik's Cube. On one of the tropical sides, I built a house. Here you could find me working on this weird drawing idea I had about an ocean slice.